Good morning, members. Okay. There is something we want to come up with a clear decision of how we're going to implement and improve our building. And one of the decision I have, and you can add on it, is concerning the piping of electric. I would like to hear from one of our members who is concerned with it. And Titus, Mr. Titus, can you explain to us?
Okay, fine. Thank you for the opportunity. Anything pertaining to piping, we start from shutter work, so that the piping is done there. What we call pointing. From there, it's buried there in the concrete. Then from there, we have after the structural work, we come back to inside now. The petitioning of the house, we have internal electrical work. Then piping is done, wall chasing, where the blockage is, maybe it can pass over the floor, and it must be made plastered before any something like waterproof. It's smeared or applied before any tiling work is done. Then we have the inspection done before tiling work, so that to incur or to shorten the rate of blockage during wiring process. That's just short a while about the piping. Others will come maybe during wiring.
Thank you, Mr. Titus. And I hope all members you have agreed on that.
Yes.
Any point to add? Yes, there's none. Thank you, Mr. Titus. Another point is concerns the training. I was requesting which tiling should be placed on toilet area or washroom areas and also kitchen areas. Yes, Mr. John?
So about tiling,
Yes.
I think we should consider the type of tile that we're going to place on the kitchen area and the toilet area. Considering that those are two areas where we have the water flowing every time, we should consider laying the matte finished tiles. That means that the tiles have a bit of they're not smooth, so it will enable, in case of movement and in case of water spillage, we won't have a lot of accidents happening. So, and we still need to consider placing tiles that will not keep water within them. You see, you can, for instance, place tiles and then they will absorb water within them. So in case they get hit with anything, they will get broken. So I think that those are the two things that we should consider when laying the tiles.
Are we together with that?
Yes.
Okay. About the water plumbing, Mr. David, can you tell us about that?
About plumbing work, I think basically, as Mr. Titus previously said, usually starts during concrete casting. That's when pointing works are done. Particularly when it comes to now after the skeleton of the house is complete, when we come to the walling internal partitions, that's when now the other kind of pipings, both for PPR and PVC, continues as well.
So we have agreed on that. In tiling, we should also observe the tiles that we are supposed to place on washroom areas. And we have also agreed that it should not be too much smooth to avoid accidents. Then we have also agreed that in piping, it should be done after thorough investigation. Also in plumbing, we have also discussed after it should be done during concreting. Thank you for that. Thank you.